Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can resize the image in Photoshop and maintain its quality. So firstly, open up your Photoshop, then paste your image that you want to resize. So as you can see, the image is pretty large and it's not fitting in the frame. So now if I just simply click on the image layer and press Ctrl+T, so if I resize like this, so it will lose its original quality. So what you have to do instead is just simply first undo it. Then simply zoom out by pressing Alt and scroll down. Then just hold Alt, then go to a point and start dragging inwards. What it will do is it will adjust the image from all the sides while maintaining its original quality. So after you're done with that, just simply move the photo in the frame just like that. You can again do that. So in this way, you were able to resize the photo and keep its original quality as well. So after making the changes, just simply click on the check icon up here and you're done. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.